So it's Tuesday around 6 p.m. Baby, it's bike night. Got free food, community of bikers from Harleys, Ninjas, Cowies, baby. Oh, wow, that's a nice bike. R1250 GSA.
90S right there, BMW R90S. They had a little fairing and stuff.
Yeah.
You see the cylinder?
Right?
Yeah. They had Delardo carbs, Italian carbs on them, right? 4 cylinders here, oil pan over there, right?
Yeah.
Inline 4, but dropped down on its side, right? They were pretty wacky. Yeah, the R90s. It was 900 cc's.
You worked on those?
Oh, yeah.
There's Ryan. My man. Certified, bro. Woo!
Oh, you got the 9-footer?
Okay. Like this? Okay.
Underhand. You got the door seal. Behind the door seal.
Oh, right here?
Right there you go.
Oh, man, come on. What?
Where you at, Ben? You won. You're the only one to make 2 in a row.
Dang, this guy.
You have to make as many.
All right, let's get some free food. Okay. We are here at Cycle Gear in Azusa. It's our first bike night. Bike night. Wow, look at that. That's a prize for that shooting thingy. Helmet. It's your size.
You get the lovely opportunity of picking one item in this box.
Oh, okay. It's not a helmet.
Those are all customer return.
Restocking fee.
Oh, shut up.
Restock.
Alrighty, congratulate him, guys.
All right. There's all the helmets that they cover. Adventure helmets, sports, got the modulars, full faces. This is our store. This is our neighborhood store. Love shopping here. You mostly get everything you're looking for. It's not, you can order it online and get it installed here. So I'm gonna check out some Road 6s. Got them installed here. This guy is gonna install it himself. But it's bike night, so they're like 50% off.
You're funny. He's got jokes.
No charge on labor.
He gets me every time.
Oh, I got it. That's the one you got talking to.
Maybe if you would have won the helmet toss.
We could have talked about it, right? Yeah. Dude, I got one shot. Woo! Yeah, baby. Woo! It's a lot of chicks.
What up?
Here comes the Tres Amigos. Right there.
Hey, Brandon, your dad's here.
Yeah, see, we even use the same camera.
Yeah, man. They missed the helmet toss.
If you can, we'll give away some stuff here. And then maybe if there's still people, we'll do another helmet toss.
All right. Should have gotten the motorcycle kit, huh?
Yeah, so I put it on the rear passenger peg. And
I saw it. You zip tied it.
Yeah.
How did it go? Were you able to use it?
It hasn't fallen off yet.
I got those freaking Amazon stuff, and they're like flimsy, man.
Yeah, my friend has the Amazon one too, and then his just falls over now.
Jeez, man.
But mine has been holding up.
It's a good setup.
I like it.
Yeah, but not that high on the freeway, right?
No, it's that high.
Setup right there.
That is freaking sick.
And that's only halfway. Not even halfway.
That's like halfway.
Not even halfway. It's like
Looks like it's pretty sturdy. Oh, you got here before, Brandon?
Yeah.
Wow.
I was flying too. It's just redlining every year. I don't know how he made it before me. Warm up
Yeah, I got 24 things in, 24 entries. So there's 3 prizes, so pretty good chance of winning.
Your levers and all that too for your hands. Like should adjust your levers so that they're comfortable, so that you have a really good amount of control over your brake.
Do you do this when you're...
I used to brake at 4 up until about a year ago, and then I switched to 2, and I have a lot more control over my brake.
Yeah, I just did like this.
Yeah, just like when I'm riding canyons, if I'm coming up to a blind turn and I'm letting off the throttle, then I'll cover my front brake.
Yeah, okay.
If I don't know where I'm gonna go, then I'll start covering.
Bro, I got one shot. I got a one shot in.
Yeah?
Yeah, easy. Look at that. Yeah.
Is that a brand new helmet? Just toss it out?
No. All right, helmet, Jay. Okay. Need one more shot. Okay, Brandon. Here we go, man. Okay. Whoa! Whoa!
It didn't even pop. Oh no.
Oh! Last one's a charm. It's not- Okay, right here. Okay, let's try it again. Didn't get that on film.
So you got an extra piece of chicken there.
It's a piece of chicken. All right. Yeah. We just ended up.
Keep it in your own city.
I do bikes only.
Hey, get a toolkit. You need the toolkit.
You gotta pick one item.
Need your own toolkit.
Brandon A.
Brandon?
It's an A.
Oh, okay.
Pick an item. Okay, bro. Face it up. Is the neck up? The neck. S.
What?
There you go. Line one. Dead, it's okay. There you go, guys. Thank you guys for coming. I didn't expect too much, but there we go. We got everyone here.
Stay safe.